Honey,
Yeah.
I feel like we're forgetting something. Anything? Today we're doing a road trip to San Antonio, but first we gotta stop at the Boosies, the Bussies, the Buc-ee's. Shut up. We got out of Buc-ee's for less than $20. I don't even know how that's possible.
Yep.
But we just got light snacks because our first stop is Puffy Tacos. First stop is Puffy Tacos at Ray's. Seriously, these pickles are actually pretty damn good.
Alright.
Ray's was good. You'll find the review on the video for the actual Ray's Puffy Tacos restaurant. But now we're off to the Riverwalk. Are you sure we're not forgetting anything? We may not have picked the best day for Riverwalk activities. I came prepared. I put 2 umbrellas in the car. Bree broke one of those umbrellas yesterday, and now we only have the 1 umbrella.
Well, it was his umbrella that broke,
What
so mine's
kind
fine.
of
Mine's fine.
bullshit?
This is our first stop. Alcohol, of course.
I don't know what the hell you got, but this crap is strong.
Hurricane 5.
Lots of construction this time around for our visit.
Great. Not like we forgot something. They're trying to trick us.
We are currently seeking refuge in the mall for air conditioning because it's now hot again.
Very hot.
Just like any good Texas road trip, we end up at Buc-ee's again getting gas. It was hot and miserable in San Antonio. It was raining. We didn't get to do as much as we wanted to do. We'll be back in October for a week for vacation, so we'll do more. Get the hell out of our kitchen, gas station, whatever. Okay, bye!